Hey, thanks so much for your interest in my song study review. Now, what that is you basically workshopping one song and video recording it and then sending it to me. Now, what you need to do is video yourself with the camera front and center so I can see your head and ideally right down to your torso. You sing through your song with accompanying music, backing track, piano, whatever suits you. Once you've got that song done, book yourself a time with me within the song study slots, and you can send me through your video via any file transfer service. You don't need to be there for the time slot that you've booked, because what I do is I use that time to video myself as I watch your performance. And then I can give you feedback in real time. I record it via a program that allows me to video both my screen that I'm watching the video on and with a little camera on myself so you can see my face and hear what I'm talking about as we go through your song. It's a really cool way of workshopping in between lessons for working towards a specific performance if you're studying or doing an audition and you've got most of your fundamental techniques down, but you just want to focus on the song and maybe we can't get in to see each other. If you have any other questions about a song study review, email me, Cherie@bignotesgetvotes.com.